how do you create magic with your wife? How do you create magic with your husband when you guys are having sex? Sex is such a beautiful, beautiful gift that we have. And I hope that you're not just having sex with your wife or your husband and just doing the pounding and pounding and pounding and pounding for the orgasm and for the pleasure and go. Hey, come back. There's so much to be done. There's so much to cook and clean up and create while you're doing that. And that's what I want to share with you today. It is good. It is really, really good. It is so good. I'm excited to give it to you today. Woo! Okay, I am very excited for this one today because it is something that has been on my heart for such a long time. It is a very complicated, well, it's not complicated, it is compounded, that's the word. It's a compounded topic because it has so many layers and pockets and so many things that we can talk about in here. Sex is not physical. It may seem physical because you're in your physical bodies enjoying that experience. In fact, nothing is just physical. We are spirit beings. And sex is a magical, magical, magical thing that we have. The mindset that I want you to begin to have when you're having sex is the mindset of, I am creating magic in this moment with this person. And in this moment right now, we can create anything. We can create anything that we want to create. Now you have to understand that sex is the only way, well, not the only way, but it's the biological or the natural way for us to procreate, for us to create another life, for us to create another human being. And so in that co-creation with your partner, there is the possibility of a whole new life to be formed. Now, aside that happening biologically within your woman, it is also happening energetically in the field. So when you're having sex with somebody, you must understand that it's like the two of you are in a bubble bath of energy. The two of you are in a bubble bath of just this magical space, right? And this is why I'm always talking about conscious sex. You have to bring your conscious awareness to whatever it is that you're doing and not just do things from a low vibrational state. A low vibrational state is when you're just trying to satisfy your lower chakras. You're just trying to satisfy your yearning for pleasure, your yearning for fun, for an ejaculation or a climax or whatever it is. Beyond that lower vibrational pleasure, there is that higher vibrational pleasure where you want to create with the divine, you want to create with the universe. Now, when you take your partner into this place where you guys are having sex consciously with your full awareness online, then you guys can create magic mentally. And this is why I always try to, when I'm speaking with my married couple friends, I'm always telling them, look, you guys need to begin to have like rituals. I don't know if you have a sex ritual with your partner, but I hope you do. I hope you have a sex ritual. I hope you have some kind of meditation that you guys share with each other, that beyond sex on the bed, you're having sex mentally together. You're having sex via thoughts, you're having sex telepathically, and of course we cannot call that sex. I call it energetic sex, and it's such a powerful thing. I wish that you will do this more often, even more than you have physical entangling sex, right? You have more energetic sex with your partner, because then you guys can bond in that energy. You guys can be one, really one. So whew, this is going to be so good today, and I know you're going to love this video. If you're loving it already, please leave a comment down below and just type 1111 feeling you, so that I know that you got to this point of the video. I am feeling this information right now, and I receive it with love. Okay. So this potion, let's call it a potion, right? This magic potion that you guys are going to be exercising or utilizing can come in handy in so many ways. It can come in handy when you guys are having issues. It can come in handy when you guys are trying to build your business, when you guys are trying to make a tough decision, when you guys are trying to get past a hard time, when you guys are trying to create a new reality, like manifest new desires, manifest new dreams, manifest new goals. It might be for the man, it might be for the woman, but whatever it is, just know that when you're thinking about a problem by yourself, it's not going to be as good as when you're thinking about it with somebody, which is what relationships are about, right? You're in a relationship with this person so that you guys can create your lives together. The person helps you grow and expand, and you help the other person grow and expand. And it's really a partnership through life. And so because you're in a partnership, you're not just in a partnership because you are married, you're also in a partnership because you are bonded energetically, you're bonded spiritually. So when you guys are having conversations, I'm talking like you guys are having conversations about whatever, you guys do this back and forth conversations, trying to solve problems in the house, trying to solve things, trying to create solutions, trying to build a business or whatever it is, right? When you guys go into the bedroom, take your thought form with you during sex. Mentally decide together, this is what we want to manifest. This is what we want to create. We want to bring in more love into this marriage. We want to bring in more love into this relationship. We want to make a baby. If you've been trying to make a baby, don't just go in there and have sex and drop your sperm and hope that a baby is going to come. Consciously create that baby together and say, okay, what kind of parents do we want to be? And how are we opening ourselves up to receive the soul? Because as souls are coming into the earth, they are choosing their parents. So your babies have probably already chosen you, but have you chosen them? Have you opened yourself up to be portals for this new soul coming in? Have you consciously co-created this baby together, or are you just going to have sex and hope that a baby happens? If a baby happens biologically, and then you forget about the energetic aspect of it. And this is beyond that as well. It's also when you're trying to manifest money, when you want money, when you, whatever it is that you want to create with your partner. Don't just create it when you guys are talking about it, also create it when you guys are having sex. Because that is where the magic is. And so, when you're having sex, your wife is thinking about it. You are thinking about it. You guys have one mind. Are you getting the gist of it now? You guys have one mind. And so, with one mind, you bring it, of course, when you're feeling all the pleasure, like, physically, you're feeling what it is that you're going to feel, but mentally, you're also sending your energy up your spine. And you know that you have the chakras, okay, your energetic center in your body. You want to mentally imagine that this beautiful wave of energy is flowing from the base of your spine, going all the way up to your head, right here. And so as you're having sex and doing all of these things, whatever it is that you guys do, I'm not there with you. You then want to begin to think about that thing that you want to manifest, okay? You want to think about the job. You want to think about the new house that you guys want to buy. You want to think about, that one thing, but it's not going to be too many things. It is just one focus point, one thing. You want to visualize it as you're bounding and grunting and growing and going. You want to bring it into manifestation by the power of your visualization during sex. Now, because you are thinking about it, your partner is thinking about it, you guys are merging this thought form inside of the magical energetic field that you're creating in sex. And when you're done, whether you climax or not, or whether you want to hold on to that energy without ejaculating, which would be a good idea, and I've talked about this in my semen retention video. I know that a lot of guys had a problem with it. Many more guys loved it because many more guys are practicing semen retention. I'm not saying that you should not come at all, but I'm just saying, like, once in a while, try to hold it in so that you can have that energy, so that you can have that thing that you have created. Because every time that you're having sex with somebody, you're creating whether low vibrational states of things or whether high vibrational things. So when you're with your partner and you're trying to create this thing, think about it, visualize it. If you're going to climax. If you're going to hold it. But then when you are done, you just want to lay there, stay there. Don't just get up and go into the bathroom. There's nothing to clean. What are you trying to clean up? Bask in it. Soak up the smells. Soak up the energy. Don't clean up yet. There's nothing to clean up. We're good. Okay? So hold on to your partner and imagine in your mental, in your mind, it is done. It is done. It is done. And just visualize that thing happening. Visualize it manifesting. Visualize it coming to life. I don't want to say the word magic again, but I have to. What I've just shared with you is pure magic. What is going to happen in your relationship will astound you. It will blow your minds. And I want you to let me know in the comments. Come back, please, to this video. If you try this, let me know how it helped. Let me know if you experimented with it. If you're going to take it on, if you're going to share this video with your partner. Remember, share this video with your married friends. Share this video with everybody that you know. Because it's going to help a lot of people. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Eva. I make videos here every week on consciousness, spirituality, sometimes sex. That's a lie. A lot of times sex. And if you enjoyed this video, do let me know in the comments below. It will be lovely to read from you. I'll be chatting with you guys in the comments. Please subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed it, and see the links in the description for how you can contact me if you like to chit chat, like to email me or talk to me on the phone. It will be my pleasure to help you further, and I'll see you in my next video. I send you a lot of love, a lot of light, and I wish you well. Bye.